Craving something delicious? Let's FlavourJet deliver. Hi everyone, I'm Kushi. I'm here to present our team food delivery app, FlavourJet, developed by myself along with Tanya, Kashish, Rishika, and Sakshi. We built FlavourJet with a vision to bring the joy of delicious food right to your doorstep. From the initial concept to the final product, we embrace collaborative approach utilizing tools like GitHub for seamless code management and communication, and VS Code for our primary development environment. Our tech stack comprises of Node.js for server-side logic and MongoDB for efficiently storing and managing all our app data. In C1, laying the foundation, we kick off our journey with core functionalities like user login, sign up, event registration, a user friendly card system, a valuable review system to help fellow foodies, and informative blog section to keep user engaged. In C2, we elevating the experience by building upon our initial success. We introduce a wishlist feature to save those must-try dishes, personalize user profile with profile pictures, a secure payment gateway for hassle-free transaction, and a healthy food filter to help user make conscious choices. We also added a helpful chatbot to answer user queries instantly and an admin panel to ensure smooth and efficient backend management. In C3, adding the touch of fun. In our final phase, we incorporate the exciting features like scratch card that reveal the dish of the day, adding a fun element of surprise. We also develop an interactive quiz to help user discover the perfect dishes based on their preferences. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kushi, and I'm responsible for developing the user administration panel for this project. This include user and admin login registration. I created a secure and user-friendly system for both user and administrator to register and login into the website. Secondly, I worked upon user profile management, in which user can able to create and manage their profile, including uploading and removing profile pictures. I also implemented a robust wishlisted functionality. When a user click on the heart button, the item will add it to their wish list cart, indicating by the red heart, and user can easily view all their wish listed item on the dedicated wish list page. Last not the least, I worked upon scratch card feature to add a fun element to the website. I will develop an interactive scratch card feature that user can engage with. So now let's start with showcasing my work. So let's start by registering a new user. For example, named Yash, and email will be yash1 at gmail.com, and password should contain one capital letter and one special character, and also one numerical which I constrained on. So user successfully registered. Now let's log in into this. Yash, and I don't remember. Right, Yash one. Okay, Yash one. So Yash one. Password should be the same. So login successful. Now you can see our website. Okay, you can see our website. It was an internet issue. Sorry for that. And this is our home page. And this is the profile section which I worked on. You can upload the profile photo. You can see I uploaded the profile photo. You can also change this if you want to, and you can also remove the profile. And this is the default profile picture you will be shown. This is the scratch card functionality which I made. You have to scratch this card and you can see able to see the dish of the day, which is pizza. And this is the fun element for our website. You can also, when you click on this heart, it became red, indicating that this product you is wishlisted, and you can able to see this in your wishlist page. You can see the pizza, and you can also remove this from there from here, and you can able to see this became again white. And if you wish listed three items, for example, you can see all three on this page. And if you remove the sushi, then you can able to see these are red, but this heart again become white. So this is the functionality which I worked upon. And the fourth functionality which I worked is admin panel. So let's start with registering the new admin. For that, admin register. So before registering the admin, it will ask you about the default admin credential, so that an admin only can able to like add new admin. Okay, so that no one else can able to register for new admin by just by URL. So first I have to register the default admin credentials. Yeah, these are the default Gmail. I forgot that. Okay, now new admin can register here, named, for example, Hirsch, with email hirsch@gmail.com, and password will remain same. It's all right. So admin can register successfully, and here you can see the admin panel where my teammates worked upon add menu, add event, and add block, and you can see all these things after adding in the user interface also. So thank you so much.
The menu page serves as the heart of the food ordering website, showcasing the available dishes or items for users to explore and add to their cart. Its design ensures an intuitive and seamless experience for the customer. Keeping in mind the nutrition value we nowadays look for, we have given some hypothetical nutrition data for each item. Additionally, you can see that for some items we have given a healthier option. To meet such condition, any item whose protein, especially protein, exceeds to the value of 20 gram will be marked as a healthier option. Now, if I click on add to cart for any item, for example ice cream sundae, the item is now visible on our checkout page. Ice cream sundae. Additionally, if I want to increase the quantity of any item to 2 and add to cart, it can also be checked out on our checkout page and is visible here. Since we increased the quantity of cheeseburger, it is now have increased to 9. Now, I being an admin can also add new items to my user menu page. Add menu item, for example cutlet, and its price given as 300, calories as 20, 50, 60. This being all hypothetical nutrition value, and if I give some image, copy image address, tagline as ordering, add menu item. The menu has now been added and can be checked out on the user menu page. Since its protein being greater than 50, it being greater than 20 gram, has also been given as a healthier option. If I add to cart, cutlet to 2. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Now the items have been added from the cart page to the checkout page. We have a coupon discount going on that if we spend the 1,000 rupees, then the discount of 5% will be applied, and if we spend our 2,000 rupees, then the discount of 10% will be applied. We can also update the quantity from here only, yeah, 300, and we can also remove one if we want do not want to add the cheeseburger to the payment section. We can also remove from here. Here is the recommended item sections that are most popular from our restaurant. We can add the recommended items directly to that checkout. For example, you can see that it has been added. We can also remove from here only, and the now the price is 950, so we are not getting any discount. If we update the quantity, you can see that the discount of 5% has been added to our overall total price. Now moving to the event section, we have a page of an event. If there is an event going on in our restaurant, then we can we can register to that event, and that event has been updated by the admin. For example, if I'm the admin and I want to add the event to the event section, I'll show it to you. Admin sorry, HTML. Suppose I want to add the event name as XYZ there is a functionality that I can only add the event for the upcoming date, not the previous dates. For example, I have an event on the, I want to add the event for the 19th December. The event has been added here, and there is also a function that event can only so remove that can only be removed by the admin, that is event removed successfully. I have added the event by the name of xyz, which will also be shown to in the on the user panel. For example, if I my name is abc and my mail is abc at the rate gmail.com. Here I have added the xyz, and there is also an option coming for the xyz events. I can now I'll register for it. That is registration successful, and if I want to cancel my registration has been cancelled. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rishika, and today I'm here to showcase our website review system. It is a platform designed to empower users and help businesses to grow. It lets users share their feedback, their honest feedback, and rating, and businesses can use their feedback to improve. Why it is very important? Review system is very important for any website because it builds trust and transparency with the users. Now I'll tell you how it works. When you write your username and you write the feedback, now you can give the rating from 1 to 5. Now I'm rating with 5 stars, and when you submit the submit button, here you can see the review entered by me from this all review column. So basically, it gives you a real time visibility of your reviews. When you enter the review, you can see your reviews immediately at that moment of the time. And the users that previously entered the reviews, you can see their reviews while scrolling down like this. So, this is the review system that I've made. In conclusion, review system is important and it is the necessary part of any website to make build trust and transparency with the users. Thank you. Food delivery chatbot system, a powerful tool designed to assist users in quickly finding solution to their queries. The system operates in real time, providing instant responses to the frequently asked questions and guiding users through the menu, order tracking, delivery time, or whatever the issue they face while using the website. The key features of our chatbot are user-friendly interface, simple chat box where users can write their question and get their answers accordingly. Real-time query handling. Users input their question in a chat box. The system processes the input and matches it with predefined questions stored in local JSON file. This data is dynamically fetched, allowing quick responses to users' queries. Now I'll tell you backend operations. Fetching. The system uses the fetch question function to retrieve data from JSON file containing questions and their respective answers. Keyword matching. Each question in JSON file associated with specific keywords. The chatbot compresses users' input against these keywords to find relevant answers. Response response. Follow up options. After responding a user's query, the chatbot presents options to ask whether they want to end the conversation or whether they want to continue the conversation. So there are two buttons that I have made. The first one is yes and the second one is end chat. So when the user click on the end chat, the chat is end there and a custom message will display like thank you for being here, and if you want to continue you can click on the yes button as well. Now it handles cases where the user input is empty or no relevant answer are found, providing appropriate messages. So if the users write something meaningless, there will be a custom message that display by the bot. Node.js and Express integration. Server setup. A basic Express server handles request to the chatbot controller logic. The handle chat function in the chatbot controller receives the user query, queries the JSON data for relevant answers, and returns the appropriate responses or a message if no message or the no answer is found. Data management. Local data storage. The local data storage. A local chatbot data function reads a JSON file from the data directory and returning an array of objects with questions, answers, and associated keywords. Now I'll tell you how it works. So if you write something meaningless, like whatever, so it will show that sorry I can't help. Please enter a valid question. Or do you have any queries? And if you want to end the chat, you can simply click on this end button. And the display of messages you can see. Bot, thanks. We are always here to support you. And if you want to continue, you can just click on the yes button. And if you want to know how can so these are the questions related to your question, like my question, and you can choose simply from this box, like which answer suits your query, and you can see here, and you can simply end the chat if you want to end it, and if you want to continue, you can simply on yes button, and the bot will give a custom message. Please ask your next question. So this is how you can if you will enter any keyword like the it will also show all the questions related to that keyword, the keyword that contain in that question. And you can from here you can simply choose which issue you're facing and how you can resolve it. So this is it about the chatbot, and now I am clicking on the end chat button. Thanks. Oh, we are always here to support. It's a custom message. So, in conclusion, the food delivery chatbot is an essential tool for our users, providing quick access to information and enhancing their interaction with the food delivery platform. The system not only answers common queries but also help streamline user experience by integrating seamlessly into the website. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Tanya, and in CE1, my contribution to the project was implementing the blogging functionality. I created the module where admin has the ability to perform, create, read, update, delete operations on the blog. Each blog has four elements: a title, a description, a video link, a image URL. So this is my user panel where I have implemented the functionality to allow the users to view all the blogs. This ensures a smooth and engaging user experience where interacting with the content. Now let me show you my admin panel where only the admin can update, delete and post the blog. So here this is my admin panel. So let's post a new blog where a title is. So let's post our image URL. So this is my URL for video. And when I will post a blog, you can see the blog has been posted successfully. And here the admin has a panel of managing the blogs where he or she can see all the blogs which are posted. So this is the a new post where I have made it. Now also I can update it. I want its title to be by Tanya Bansal. I don't want to update the description. I don't want to update the image URL or video link. So here you can see the blog has been updated successfully. Here it has been updated. If I want to delete the previous blog, I can also delete it. And you can see the masala dosa blog has been deleted. And when I go to my user panel where only user can't post it, just see these blogs. Here you can see it has been posted a chocolava cake by Tanya. And if I click on the watch video link, I can also watch the video. So this is the whole part for my CE1. In CE2, I focused on the payment integration using Node.js. I developed an API for the payment gateway, also to handle the transaction securely and efficiently. For security purpose, sensitive API credentials like API was stored securely in my .env file. This integration enhanced the application more secure. I have added this, and when I go to checkout, I want to add more items. Now when I click on my pay now, I have done with Razorpay integration, and you can see here the payment was 900 and my sum was also a 900 in my checkout page. Let's add UPI ID. You can see that the payment has been done successfully, and this is my UPI for payment. Also in the end term, I have added the more functionality like a timer where I user after 4 minutes he can see the that the food is being prepared or cooked or ready. And I you can see that all these payments are being stored in my Razorpay also, where only a admin can see these, delete or refund it. So when I go to transactions, you can see that all the payments has been fetched with the payment ID, the customer details, and the detail of amount and the date. And if I want to refund it or make a payment successful, then I can do from here. The payment has been captured in my account. So this is the details which are stored in my Razorpay. Now for the Entom contribution, I have created my admin panel and I have improved my front end, as here you can see. And the admin panel provides an intuitive interface for administrators to manage various aspects of application, enhancing operational efficiency. And I worked, as I told you, I have worked. Lastly, I connected our application to MongoDB, integrating it as a primary database for storing the data. This allows us to manage data efficiently, ensuring scalability and reliability of our application. I have made a Tanya folder where I have made a collection. Here you can see all the blogs which has been fetched, also the cart, chatbot, events, menu, and all the payment record has been fetched here with the order ID, the amount, and here I have made the status also that if I don't want to capture the payment, then the payment will be failed, and if I have captured, then it will show as a successful. Next we have a registrations where all the users are being registrating, and this is the wish list. So through these contributions across CE1, CE2, and the end term, I have significantly improved the overall functionality, security, and usability of our project. Thanks from my side.
To sum up everything, FlavorJet is not just a simple food ordering website, but it's a complete ecosystem designed to enrich the user's dining experience. From reviews, blogs, and event management to chatbot, wishlist, and nutrition recommendation, we have come across so far that we've built unique, feature-rich, and user-friendly platform. For future scope, we're planning to add AI-driven personalization for smarter recommendation, plus integration with social media, also real time food order tracking. Last but not the least, we will enable multilingual support to reach the diverse audience. So, this is all about FlavorJet. I hope you all like it. Thank you.